Welcome everyone. I'm Vishal Jagtap and I will introduce you to the Imaging and Spectroscopy group at the Institute for High Frequency and Communications Technology at the University of Wuppertal in Germany. Terahertz is loosely defined between 300 gigahertz and 3 terahertz and exists on the electromagnetic spectrum right between the electronics and photonics. State-of-the-art imaging systems exist in these domains. For example, on the electronic side, one can perform RF imaging seeing through the wall. However, the resolution is poor due to long wavelength sizes, well above 1 millimeter. On the other hand, we all have seen X-ray images, especially in the medical field, looking through a human body or in security, scanning the baggages. However, the X-rays are very energetic and are hazardous to human tissues over a prolonged exposure. Terahertz waves have distinct advantage. On the one hand, they provide better resolution than the RF. In fact, the resolution is of the order of hundreds of micron, which is as good as an human eye can resolve. And on the other hand, as compared to X-rays, terahertz photons are less energetic, of the order of few milli electron volts, are therefore non-ionizing and completely safe. Alike in X-rays, in terahertz region, different dielectrics exhibit different levels of transparency, while the metals completely reflect. As can be seen here, concealed objects can be clearly identified. Here is a demonstration of terahertz imaging performed on a Easter chocolate egg using 2D raster scan. As you can see in this video, we can clearly identify these concealed objects within this chocolate egg. So terahertz sounds very promising with better resolution as compared to microwaves and also safe radiations as compared to X-rays. However, there are certain fundamental limits. Firstly, terahertz is highly absorbing in atmosphere, and the traditional terahertz systems are bulky and costly, and few require even cryogenic temperatures to work. So what do we need to overcome these limitations? First of all, we need high power sources and highly sensitive detectors so that we could account for the attenuation from both transmitter as well as the receiver sides. And importantly, for terahertz to be usable in daily life, the imaging systems must operate in room temperature conditions and must be lightweight, portable, and affordable. So, can we leverage very large scale integration capabilities of high performance silicon integrated circuits to develop such a terahertz imaging system? Our group's main activity is focused on developing silicon-based terahertz integrated circuits for imaging and spectroscopy applications. Over the past 15 years, our group has demonstrated broadband terahertz detector focal plane arrays with increasing sensitivity and pixel counts. The enriching technology itself from the technology partners such as IHB, STMicroelectronics, and others, along with our smart design and packaging, are leading towards all silicon-based terahertz systems on chips. The image here shows the world's first CMOS terahertz camera coming from Wuppertal with 1024 pixels capable of performing video imaging. Likewise, we see the terahertz sources based on silicon electronics reaching frequencies beyond 300 gigahertz with high emission powers of up to 10 dBms or 10 milliwatts. So among our current research highlights, we are developing smart MIMO architectures for integrating the single chip sources and detector arrays into a super arrays. Here is the world's first CMOS-based terahertz light field camera. Beneath each silicon lens is a focal plane array with 32 by 32 pixels. In total, there are about 9,200 pixels. You can check out this light field camera in action following the link in the description below. If you see yourself working on this novel project, do check our website for different opportunities available from hardware to computational algorithm development. Here is an example of our latest terahertz detector based on silicon germanium heterojunction bipolar transistors. This detector was fabricated in the state-of-the-art transistor technology in IHP with Fmax of 700 GHz. This detector detects a broad frequency range along with very high sensitivity. This detector is developed in view of performing not only active but also passive imaging. Additionally, the single pixel as seen here contains simultaneously operating two detectors in orthogonal polarizations. This feature can be exploited for performing polarimetry alongside broadband see-through imaging. There are plenty of career opportunities for aspiring engineers and scientists. We implement our cutting-edge novel circuits in the state-of-the-art transistor technologies from Infineon, IHP, ST Microelectronics, and Global Foundries. If you are interested in performing your bachelor's or master's thesis or even internship in the field of terahertz imaging and spectroscopy, you can find a list of projects on our website. Get in touch with the respective supervisor also mentioned alongside the project. If you have specific inquiries or require more information on open job positions other than bachelor's and master's, do not hesitate to contact us.